guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll teach you how to change the path of your Excel file. Okay, so first we need to import an Excel file into our Power BI desktop file. So let's click here, Excel Workbook. We will choose our Excel file. Okay, this is our base Excel file. We click Open. In the Navigator window, we choose the sheets that we want to import. So we are going to choose Sales Sheet. Okay, then we click Load. As you can see, we have our first data source. This source is from our Excel file. We can see the data here. Okay. We have all the data from this Excel file. Now that we have imported our Excel file, we want to change the path of the source file. How to do it? So here on the tab Home, we click Transform Data. A Power Query window will open. As you can see, we have only one query, the sales query. We have all the data, and here on the right side of the screen we have applied steps. On the first one, on the source step, we click here in the engine, and here on this window we can change the folder, or if you want we can click on Browse. So we have here the file 1 is the file that we imported previously. So we can go to have a folder. So let's choose folder 2 and let's choose file 2. Is a different file in a different folder. So after we click OK, we click OK again. Okay, we go to the last step. We have the data from the second file. Then if we click Close and Apply, the data will be reloaded, and that's it. This is how you change the path of your Excel file. This is it. A quick tutorial how to understand and how to change the path from your source file. If you like what you see, just subscribe the channel and activate the bell to get all the channel updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!